Hey everyone, I am proud to present our newest listing here at the Palms here in Nocatee, Florida. I want to take you inside, but before I do, I want to tell you this home features everything you could ever imagine. I can't wait to take you inside and show you all about it. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath oasis has a grand foyer with reflecting mirrors and a custom sliding barn door. Inside, you will be welcomed by the open concept floor plan. This home features every upgrade imaginable, such as ceramic wood flooring throughout the entire home, including the bedrooms. The master bath boasts quartz countertops with custom tile accents throughout. The shower features an additional shower head. The many upgrades also include coffered ceilings with tongue and groove accents, shiplap walls, wainscoting. The gourmet kitchen features a walk-around island that is perfect for entertaining for family and friends. There is custom lighting throughout the home, a stainless steel apron-style sink, built-in seating for the nook, a glass tile backsplash, a gas stove, a coffee or sidebar area with a wine cooler. For those warm days and cool nights, spend time in the sunroom. This is where you can hang out with your loved ones and enjoy time together. Step outside to the backyard where there's ample room for a pool and a summer kitchen. Just behind this home is a beautiful marsh preserve. The Palms here in Nocatee is one of the most sought-after communities here in the area, and I look forward to you seeing it further. I hope that was everything you imagined it to be. Comment below or send us a DM, and we'd love to set up a private tour for you to come check out this property.